Here's what looks to be a Ducane central air conditioner. It's got a Cope & Scroll in it. It's from 2016. It's a 2.5 ton and it's a 14 seer. Has not been running. Pretty mild day today. I don't think, yeah, there does not appear to be a logo. Thought this was a round one at first when I saw it from a distance, but as I got closer, realized it was some sort of Lennox product. This is either an Aire Flow or a Ducane or a Concord. But I figured that since I got a closer look at it, I'd film it. Just thought I'd show that real quick.